Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to find Voyager in the Space Simulator on Roblox. To start your exciting journey, launch into the game and prepare for an interstellar hunt. Your first clue will be a very subtle, flickering light far off in the distance. Keep your eyes peeled, as this elusive probe travels at a steady speed of 6 units through space. It's a challenging but rewarding quest. Once you spot that initial flicker, you'll want to narrow down your search area. Voyager is typically found orbiting between the dwarf planets Haumea and Makemake. As you get closer, deploy your portable telescope to get a clearer view of the light. An even stronger indicator is the unique Morse code sound that Voyager emits when you are within its vicinity. This sound confirms you are on the right track. Now that you've confirmed Voyager's presence, it's time for the final approach. Players often discover Voyager at distances ranging from 30,000 to 45,000 Earth units from their starting point. Navigate your spaceship with precision, ensuring you maintain a steady course. Once you are close enough, you will need to prepare to mine the valuable golden disk directly from the probe itself. Good luck, Space Explorer. Congratulations, you found Voyager. Successfully mining the golden disk will earn you 3 fantastic rewards: a generous amount of credits, a rare Sweet Home module, and the prestigious Voyager badge. Just a heads up, once you mine the disk, Voyager will despawn from its current location. This entire quest is known as one of the most challenging achievements in the Space Simulator, so be proud of your accomplishment.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.